see how we multiply 97 and 98. So how much 97 less than 100? So it's 3 less. How much 98 less than 100? It's 2 less. So now we look at 98 minus 3. That's going to be 95. And now we just multiply these two numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. We write 06. So the answer is 9506. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers in seconds. Yes, really in seconds. So grab a pen, get ready to impress your friends, and let's make math faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's dive in. Say we are multiplying 95 by the number 96. So what is the answer? Let's calculate this in seconds. As you can see that both these numbers are close to 100. So today let's learn how to multiply the numbers those are close to 100. Now we take 100 as the reference number. So this number becomes the reference number. And now how much 95 less than 100? So it's 5 less. We write minus 5. As it is less than, you write it as minus 5. And now, how much 96 less than 100? It's 4 less, you write as minus 4. And now, we do this diagonally. So, we do 96 minus 5, which is 91. Or, you can do 95 minus 4, that is also 91. Right? So, we are doing 96 minus 5, that gives you 91. Or, you can do as 95 minus 4, that also gives you 91. You can do either ways. So now what we get here? So you see that we got 91, and now you're gonna multiply these two numbers. 5 times 4, that gives you 20. What is the answer? So the answer is 9120. So the product of 95 and 96 is 9120. All right. Let's see the next example question. Say we are multiplying another two-digit numbers. Let's multiply that in seconds. Now, let's take 97. We are multiplying by the number 98. Let's see what is the answer. Again, we see how much 97 less than 100. As 100 is the reference number, the number that is close to these two numbers. So how much 97 less than 100? It's 3 less. So if it is less, you write as minus. That's going to be minus 3. How much 98 less than 100? It's 2 less. You write as minus 2. Alright. So now we look at the numbers diagonally. As you can see, 98 minus 3. So 98 minus 3, that's going to be 95. You write here. Or it can be 97 minus 2. So 97 minus 2 also 95. You can take that in either ways. Alright. So that's the first step you're going to do. And the next step, you just have to multiply these two numbers. 3 times 2. That's going to be 6. So you write this as 6 here. What is the answer? So the answer is going to be 9506. 97 times 98, the answer is 9506. Alright, let's see some more examples. Say we are multiplying the number, say 106. Now let's take different numbers. So we take 106 and we are multiplying by the number 104. Let's see what is the answer. Here you can see that 106 and 104, they are close to 100. So still 100 is the reference number, but now 106 is more than 100. In the previous question, you have seen the numbers less than 100, but now both these numbers are more than 100. Now, how much 106 more than 100? It's 6 more. If it is more, you write plus. So it's 6 more, you write plus 6. And now, how much 104 more than 100? It's 4 more, you write as plus 4. If it is less, you write minus. If it is more, you write plus. And now same thing, we look at the numbers diagonally. So 104 plus 6. So 104 plus 6, that is 110, right? Or you can see 106 plus 4 this way, that is also 110. So you can take this either ways. All right. And now the last step, like the previous, we just have to multiply these two numbers. 6 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. So what is the answer? That's going to be 11024. That's the product of 106 and 104. All right. Let's see the next question. Say we are multiplying the other two-digit numbers. Say the question is 102 times, say, 125. So what is the answer? What is 102 times 125? Here again, we look at these two numbers. Look at the first number, 102. So how much 102 more than 100? So it's 2 more, we write plus 2. And how much 125 more than 100? So it's 25 more, you write as plus 25. Now we look at the diagonal numbers. 125 plus 2. That's going to be 127, right? Or you can look at this way. 102 plus 25, that also 127. All right. And now you're going to multiply just these two numbers to 125. 25 times 2 is 50. You write that here. So what is the answer? So it's going to be 12750. So the product of 102 and 125 is 12750. Now let's multiply 98 by the number 135. Let's see what is the answer. Here you can see that 98 is less than 100 and 135 is more than 100. Now we took the example here, one number is less than and one number is more than 100. Now, like the previous question, let's see the first number, 98. How much 98 less than 100? It's 2 less than, so we write as minus 2. Now, how much 135 more than 100? It's 35 more. If it is more, you write plus. So it's 35 more, you write plus 35. And now we look at the numbers diagonally. 135 minus 2, that gives you 133. Or you can look this way, 98 plus 35, that also gives you 133, right? And now the change here is once you write 133, we just add 2 zeros at the end. So this question is different, not like the previous questions, since here one of the numbers is less than our reference number and the other number is more than. So in this case, we just add 2 zeros at the end. And now we just have to multiply these two numbers. 35 times minus 2. That's going to be minus 70. So you write here minus and then you put a 70 here. So subtract 13300 and 70. So that gives you 13230. So that's the answer. So the product of 98 and 135 is 13230. All right. Let's see another example question of this type and let's see what is the answer. Now say we are multiplying two numbers. The first number is say 95 is the first number and we are multiplying that by the number 120. So what is the answer? Again, let's look at the first number 95. How much 95 less than 100? So it's 5 less. If it is less, we put a minus. So minus 5. And the next number is 120. How much this number more than 100? It's 20 more, so you write plus 20. Now, we look at the numbers diagonally. So 120 minus 5. So it's 115. Or you can look this way. 95 plus 20 is also 115. Right? Now, like the previous question, we add two zeros at the end. And now you're gonna multiply these two numbers. So 20 times minus 5, that's gonna be minus 100, right? 20 times 5 is 100. So you just put minus 100. So now 11500 minus 100, that will give you 11400. So the answer is 11400. So 95 times 120, the answer is 11400. Thanks for watching. If this helped you multiply faster, imagine what's coming next. So make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a math hack. Got a topic or trick you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments. I'm always reading them. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep leveling up your math game.